Now this is uploading again to Katalon TestOps. So in this case, let's go ahead and navigate to Katalon TestOps and see what we have. Everything was updated here automatically. I didn't have to do anything manually. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and refresh my Katalon TestOps and see that there is one test case that I was executed, and there were 3 different executions that I had for that test, the test suite that I created. The first one was a success. The second one, remember I told you I was going to make fail on purpose because I tried to open it on a web browser that I don't have. And the second one and the third one actually executed successfully. So let's go ahead and take a look at this project. Let me click on that and see if we can dig deeper into what is going on. So we have here the information, 3 of them passed, or actually 2 of them passed out of 3 and 1 of them failed. We have the report here that is telling us exactly what is happening. It is giving us an overview of what is going on with your environment. Now let's go to reports and analytics and see if we can dig deeper into what is going on here. Something interesting about Katalon TestOps is that your reports, or in this case the data that you will see in this graph, is you will see the newest test on the left-hand side, and then the oldest ones you will see on the right-hand side. Okay, so you can see what date it was executed, which one failed, which one didn't. It's going to also give you details on each one of these test executions, if how many times it was executed, how many times it fails and passed, and you name it. If you want to see details on why is this failing or why is it succeeding, you can go here and click on the ID number. This is going to take you to the details of this test execution. So here you will see that it failed. You also can go ahead and take a look and see why it failed. So here you will see all the details about this test execution, and it also will give you a log of what is going on. In that way, you don't have to dig through endless log files to see exactly what is going on with your environment or why this is failing. And also to give you some detailed information about this, how this looks like if you have been running it for multiple days, I'm going to go to a different project that I have going on here, and I actually have to switch organizations. And in this case, I have one where I've been running a little bit more tests, and you will see that I have here actually I had multiple ones that passed and failed. And if I go to reports and analytics, you will see more details about them. So this is going to give you an insight, a valuable insight of how is it that you are performing, how are your tests performing, if certain days you have more failures than others. So you can go ahead and keep track of that. You can go ahead and take swift action on what is going on. Another cool thing about this is that not only you can go to the dashboard and see all these insights that you can take swift action on, but also you can do test planning. So you can go ahead and plan all the tests that you want prior to your release and make sure that everything is running smoothly in your pipeline. You also can manage your tests, and as I mentioned just now, you can go ahead and visit the reports and analytics and take a look at what is going on. And also you can go ahead and navigate to configurations and see how can you integrate TestOps with the rest of your environment.